Welcome to this quick tutorial. I'm going to show you how to get started with the Cambridge Latin course 5th edition digital resources on Cambridge Go. To start, you should have received an access code via email. This single code will now give you access to both the teacher and student digital resources. You don't need two separate codes. The instructions in the email will reference Cambridge Go. This is the new way to access your Latin resources. The digital resource has not changed, just the way that you access it. Firstly, you'll need to open the site by visiting cambridge.org/go. The next step is to register your account. Choose Create a Teacher Account and enter your details there. You'll need to check your email to get a login code. Please note, this is different to your book access code. Once you have registered, you will be asked if you want to set up a school. You can skip this step, but we recommend you set up your school as soon as possible. Setting up a school will allow you to create user accounts for your colleagues and students. We have a separate video about school registration that you can find in the video description. Once you're registered, you can activate the access code for your Latin materials. Copy the code from your spreadsheet, return to the site, and click Add New Resources. Paste the code in, accept the terms, and click Add to Resources. You will now see the Cambridge Latin Course 5th edition on your Resources page. As mentioned earlier, the Digital Teacher's Resource now includes a license for the student's book as standard, so you will not need a separate code. You'll see that the teacher's resource looks exactly the same as before. Students can activate their digital book in one of two ways. They will either find a code on the inside of their book, like the example shown here, or you will have been sent a spreadsheet with student access codes. They then follow the same process as in this video, except that they register for a student account. If you need any additional help with Cambridge Go, please navigate to the site and click on Support in the top left corner. Type Cambridge Latin Course into the search bar, and you'll also be able to download these instructions as a PDF document. Thanks for watching, and we're happy to help with any additional questions.